on your new windows, they come with this Energy Star label, and there's a bit of information that comes with those. So we got 3 ratings here that they're showing. U factor is similar to an R value when we're talking about like walls or attic insulation. So that's the thermal transfer that's occurring. This has an inverse relationship to your R value. So in this case, a lower number is better. So 0.16 for U factor is very low. Your triple pane is typically like 0.2 and less. On the other side, we have solar heat gain. So this will determine how much heat gain can be transferred through the window. But we also want to block heat out when we have hot summer days, like we have all Stampede. So this is kind of in the middle, like a 0.49. And the last one is visible transmittance, which just determines how much visible light the window actually lets into this space.